Hello everyone, I'm Trista. So what's the first thing you want to do after the lockdown is over? I really want to go traveling. As we are stuck at home at the moment, I'd like to show you how you can travel at home. So get your travel list ready and let's go! Firstly, fold the paper plate in half and do the same thing again. In the top quarter, draw a window. But remember, this will double in size when you open it. And then cut it off. Put two plates together and make a hole in the middle of the plate. Put the string through the hole and tie a knot. Try to tie the knot close to the plate. This is me. This is my travel partner Mimi. With the nice weather, bring my camera, book the ticket, all ready. Let's see where we are going. I always want to go back to Louvre and see Mona Lisa again. I love museums. air balloon ride in Cappadocia is also one thing on my list. Imagine watching those hot air balloons flying in the sky. That would be amazing. An adventure in Egypt sounds pretty cool too. Never been to the US either. I think it's time to plan a trip. I definitely want to go back to Taiwan to see my friends and family, but most of all, I'm going to have lots of Taiwanese food. So this is how I travel at home. And with the same method, you can also try this out. It's pretty much the same thing that we did, but before you put the plates together, you can color it however you like. Be creative, go crazy. You like what I shared today? Although it's difficult for us to physically travel anywhere at the moment, if your heart is free, you can go wherever you want. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.